National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caswell County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Providence to Yanceyville to near Quick, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yanceyville, Bethel, Providence, Jericho, Prospect Hill, Camp Springs, and Milton. Northwestern Montgomery County, southwestern Randolph County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baden Lake, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baden Lake, Baden, Denton, Eldorado, Fishtails Marina, Whippoorwill Campground, Newsom, Pilovan Marina, Eula, and High Rock Boat Dock Marina. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Montgomery, and Randolph. This is Northwest. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central West County until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Garner or near Raleigh, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Garner, Nightingale, Wendell, and Denton. Street line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows and flying debris generated by damage winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Wake, North Carolina. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, West Central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, Southern Dinwiddie County, northeastern Brunswick County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bertie, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bertie around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Center Star, Caldwell, Cherry Hill, Rawlings, Dolphin, Rocky Run, Fields Crossroads, Warfield, Wharf Store, and Darvaux. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakefieldUp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Brunswick, Virginia. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Randolph County, southern Guilford County until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of High Point, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Asheboro, Randleman, Archdale, Trinity, Pleasant Garden, Jamestown, Liberty, and Remser. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Guilford and Randolph. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Halifax County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Halifax, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke Rapids, Halifax, Enfield, Weldon, and South Weldon. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Halifax, North Carolina.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Cary Police Department is searching for Imani Jada Bruce. Imani Jada Bruce is a 5-year-old black female, approximately 3 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 65 pounds. She has braided brown hair and brown eyes. Imani Jada Bruce was last seen wearing a pink and purple nightgown with a unicorn on the front. The abductor, Crystal Beatrice Walston, is described as a black female, 5 feet 11 inches tall, and 230 pounds. She has black braided hair, brown eyes, wearing a black V-neck scrub top, black scrub pants, and Carolina blue grip socks. She has tattoos on her chest and both arms. They were last seen traveling towards downtown Sanford from 215 Bracken Street in Sanford in a silver 2011 Lexus RX 350. North Carolina registration of JKC 6112. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Cary Police Department immediately at 919-469-4012 or call 911 or star HP.